You opened your team's cursor rules file last week and it's 600 lines of contradictory instructions. Always write tests. Don't write tests unless asked. Use TypeScript strict mode. Match existing patterns. Half of it was written by someone who left in Q2. This is the new legacy code, and nobody's reviewing it. Here's the frame I've been using to clean these up. 3 categories: guides, gates, guards. Every instruction you give an AI agent, cursor rules, Claude project instructions, agent prompts, CI hooks, falls into exactly one of these. If you can't categorize it, delete it. That's the whole video. Let me show you why it works. Guides. Our preferences. Soft signals. Prefer functional components. Use our internal logger over console.log. Match the file naming in the directory you're editing. The model weighs these against context. Sometimes it ignores them. And that's fine because the cost of getting it wrong is a nit in code review. The mistake most teams make. They write everything as a guide. The whole rules file is vibes. Then they're surprised when the agent ships a migration that drops a column on a Tuesday afternoon. Gates are preconditions, hard checks before the agent does the thing. Before editing a file in Wooshka read the RFC linked in the README. Before running a migration, dump the schema. Before opening a PR, run the type checker locally. Gates are where you encode the stuff your senior engineers do automatically and your AI agent does not. This is the Stripe RFC instinct. Read before you write. The Amazon 6-pager instinct. Context before action. You're not hoping the model behaves. You're requiring a checkpoint. If you're a staff IC, gates are how you scale your judgment. If you're an EM, gates are how you scale your team's standards without writing a 40-page wiki nobody reads. Guards are the nuclear option, hard stops. Things the agent is never allowed to do without human confirmation. Never run drop table. Never push to main. Never modify files in infra/prod. Never commit secrets, even in tests. Guards protect blast radius. They're the equivalent of the keeper test for your codebase. Would I be okay if this action happened at 2 a.m. with no human in the loop? If no, it's a guard. Here's the ratio that actually works. Most of your rules should be guides. Cheap, soft, easy to change. A smaller layer of gates. The checkpoints that match how your senior engineers think. And a very small set of guards. Non-negotiable, audited, reviewed quarterly like an on-call runbook. The teams getting AI agents wrong invert this pyramid. They write 50 guards, no gates, and 0 guides. The agent becomes useless because it asks permission for everything, or that they write 300 guides, no guards, and the agent confidently force pushes to main. Practical homework. Open your rules file today. Add 3 comment headers. As guides, gates, guards. Move every line into one bucket. The ones that don't fit, they're either dead, duplicated, or aspirational. Delete them. You'll cut the file in half. Your agents will get sharper. And the next person who joins the team won't inherit a 600-line tire fire. Next video, I'm breaking down the gate layer specifically. The pre-flight checklist pattern, borrowed from how Google SREs structure production change reviews. If you've got a gate that saved your team from a bad agent action, drop it in the comments. I'll pull the best ones into the follow-ups.